Hello, everybody. It's Lynnis, and welcome to Lynnis Minutes. I hope everybody had
anion product. A product, negative ions come from lightning strike, and we do not want to.
And it's really because I have a three-part framework or process called exploration.
some quick tips, tools, and techniques that are going to aid you in midlife. So today, we switch gears here. I'm going to be talking with a friend of mine. And let me tell you a little bit about Evette Smith. Evette Smith is, among other things, a licensed massage therapist or a certified massage therapist, and also a French aromatherapist. She is huge when it comes to understanding the body from a holistic perspective, how it works. And today she's coming on to talk with us about basically things that you can do to maintaining your wellness through supplements. Many of you have talked about or have presented to the groups or to other followings that I have about supplements. Things that people can use to help add to their overall wellness. And that's what we're going to be talking about today for just a few minutes, because this is Lynnis Minutes. And we're just going to introduce a few things to you for you to think about. And also, before I leave, I have a quick announcement. But right now, let's bring Evette Smith on. Hi, Evette.
Hi, Lynnis. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for being on. Thank you so much for being on Lynnis Minutes. It's wonderful to have you. And you are so knowledgeable when it comes to wellness from a preventative measure. Tell us a little bit about you and your background and the products that you want to share in particular with us today.
Well, a little bit about my background. I'm 15 years in growing a business here in Sacramento. As a certified massage therapist licensed here in the state of California. And it's always been my passion to help people to with their physical well-being, their emotional well-being, and their spirit. And when I met Lynnis, it was like it just took that a little bit further. I remember in my earlier years, I met her and we made this connection. And actually, it was at a crucial time of my transition, because I had little work to do, but she felt my passion for work. And she said, after we had a conversation, I think we met the first time, and she was like, I think what you have, you could help my husband's mother. And I remember from that time, I had a meeting with Michael and his mom. And from that point forward, up until her transition, I was providing services in her home. So I thank you for that, Lynnis. And that carried me over to providing home service and to going into a physical building and providing services until I just had an abundance of clients until COVID, but things are moving forward. So as I ended that chapter of my of bodywork therapy here in the state of California, I found something. I just reached out and I gave myself, I guess, the grace of allowing this to pass. And I said, Lord, you know what is next for me, and I have no idea. But I just opened myself. And what came to me was not just supplements, but it is a category creating product that needs to be out there in the world. It's been out here for 9 years, but it's new to the United States. And when there were some things about this product that when I was listening to one of Lynnis's segments on menopause, I was like, oh my gosh, this is something. When I was delving into the science, I was like, this is something that I can continue to help people with. And so I immediately called Lynnis and I was like, you know what, this DNA product is something that can help us with menopause and our hormones, and I'd like to share it with you. And so he immediately just heard a little bit about it and it's like, you've got to come on Lynnis Minutes and share this. So that's where I am with this.
Thank you. And that's so great. I know a lot of times in the groups where people follow me, they will post things about their products and services, and that's great. But getting a chance to come on and actually talk to people about it, I'm not trying to sell you, I'm just trying to educate all of you, is sometimes so much more impactful than a posting. So if any of you in the group are interested in being on Lynnis Minutes to talk about your product and service, get in touch with me. It's the best way to do it rather than just posting things online.